Learn how to create this white outline effect thumbnail for free using your phone. First, we are going to be using CapCut. So on my phone, I went into my CapCut application. We're going to be using that to remove the background of the image. So here, click on expand at this upper part, and then you're going to get more options, one of which says remove background. So we're going to click on that, and then it's going to take us to our gallery to select the image that we want. Once you click on the image that you want, click on edit. CapCut will automatically remove the background, so you can go ahead and export. You can export up here and it will save in your gallery. So that is all we are using CapCut for in this tutorial. Next, we're going to Canva. We're going to open Canva app now, and then at the top, the search bar, we're going to type YouTube thumbnail. Click the search icon and it's going to bring all of these templates you are seeing now. So I'm going to scroll until I get to the one that I want, the one that has bold text, and then it's free. As you can see, not all of them are free. So I'm going to scroll. I think I'll be using this one that says best advice to business, whatever. So I click on that and it's going to take me to this page here. So first I'm going to click on this image and remove it, delete image with the delete icon at the top. So on the bottom part now, I'm going to press cancel, that's the X sign, and then I will click on gallery where I will export that image that we removed the background earlier. So here is it. I'm going to click on it, then click add to page, and the image will automatically appear here. So on this corner, I'm going to drag to adjust the image to how I want it to fit. To keep dragging using this white marks around the box to adjust the image to however you want it to fit. So after that, for me, I'm okay with it like this, but I'm going to flip. So on this down menu, I'll go to flip and then flip horizontal, and then I want it to face towards the text. So next I am going to, on the lower part, we're going to click effects and then click effect here again, and then shadows. So on these shadows now, you're going to see outline. I'll click on that outline, then click again. It's going to show me this size, all of that. So on the color, I'm going to change that to white. That's the white outline. So you can use any other color you want. It could be yellow, it could be blue. Just make sure that it's showing. Like, so this blur amount, I don't need it, so I took it back to 0. Then the size of the outline, you can increase it if you want to. I left it at 19. That is it for the outline. But if you want to know how I created the rest of the thumbnail, you can keep watching. So now I'm going to change the background. I clicked on it. You can see it has a purple outline. And then I'm going to remove some of these elements that came with the template. I don't need them for now. I'm also going to change that text to something else, like it is on the thumbnail of this video. So I had to move the text away to be able to adjust this other element. You can take them out or position them, change colors, whatever, how you want it to be. The background also, you can change it to whatever color you want. I ended up going for this gray color. Next, for the text, once you click on it, you see edit at the bottom. Click on the edit and then type out what you want to be there. So I'm typing white effect, um, white outline effect rather. I'm also going to add an arrow, the arrow from the text to the my picture. So I just click on elements and then typed arrow in the search bar. I got several options. I picked this one. I'm going to adjust it to sit like so. I'm going to remove this now, and also the upper one. I will replace that part with the Canva logo and then CapCut logo. So I'm removing this element as well. I had to move the text, if not it won't be able to click. So next now I'm going to cancel this on this down part. Click on that X, then click on elements. Then I typed Canva logo. These are the results. So up here I'm going to click on photos. So it gives me an image option. And then I clicked on this one here, and then it appeared automatically on my thumbnail. So I'm using this bottom corner now to adjust it and then drag it to the down part. I'm also going to do the same for the CapCut logo. Well, Canva did not give me a CapCut logo, so I had to download it from Google. So I downloaded this one that says transparent. Next, I went back to the Canva and then I selected that logo we just downloaded. Just click on gallery, it will take you to your gallery, and then you click on the photo and it will bring you back here. So I'm going to adjust it again so that it is small on the bottom, and then keep adjusting. You can add other elements. You can add a phone, you can add whatever it is you want to add that relates to the video that you're making. So on this text now, I clicked on it. I'm going to effects. I'm going to change it to this outline. Click on it and click again. Then change this color to black. And then I am going to go back to effects again on this outline. Then the thickness, I'm going to increase that. You can also change the color of your text. I also changed the color of my text. I made it bold. Click on that format and you see bold. You can only see these options if you highlight the text. So on the color also, I went with this brown color. Yeah, you can change the text to whatever color you want. I also went ahead to add more text on my thumbnail. So after adding the text, see that it affected the arrow, so I had to move these icons down. That way I can move my arrow down too, but I can't click on it until I move the text somewhere else. Remove it, then click on here, click on the arrow and bring it down, then adjust the text back to its original position. So that's basically it on how to do this, create this thumbnail. So you can click on the arrow at the top that is pointing up, and then click on download. It's already suggesting PNG. Click on download and it's going to save to your phone. That's how to make this very simple thumbnail for free.